Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today was going to be a different type of video. This was supposed to be my very late to the party VIB sale that I got at Sephora. You know, when that sale was going on, I was looking and looking. I didn't really see a whole bunch that I really was interested in trying. So I only got a few things. I got Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear Foundation, which was good because I wanted to like save money, so I wanted to get something that was a little more pricier so I could save something. I got an ANASTASIA Brow Wiz pencil, which, because I kind of needed, I want to try a couple of new ones. And I just got this Sephora Colorful Shimmer Eyeshadow in 281 Satin Corset. So I'm going to actually call this, because I think the star of the show is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation. So I'm going to like kind of make this a wear test for today. And I'm going to use these guys too, but you know, so that's what I got at Sephora with that sale. I know everybody posted this like a month ago at least. And they got a lot more than I did, you know. I'm just a little YouTuber, but yeah, but I want to do the foundation because I was sitting here when I just looked, I'm like, oh, I have been sitting on this and I haven't been using it, like, so I want to do a wear test. So let me put some primer on. I just really use primer on my T-zones. Primer. Listen, my Queen's accent has gotten much better. Okay, so let me open this up. Oh. So I did hear good things about this. Pretty bottle. So, just took it off. It has a pump, which I do like. I think the color will look good on me. I'm going to start with a little bit at first. And if I need more, I'll get more. Pretty bottle. Okay, I am going to use my brush because I like brushes better, but I'm going to do something after I do the brush, so I feel like I forgot to do something. I did do primer, right? Oh, I forgot my eye primer. That's what I forgot. It's all right. Okay, so I am using my brush, but someone had mentioned to me a tip because I'm always complaining about my pores sometimes like accentuating, and she said to try going in after with a wet, I feel like there's a piece of hair here. There is a piece of hair here. To go in after with a wet sponge. So let me go in, kind of push the makeup in as she suggested into my pores, which makes a lot of sense. You know, I've tried the sponge, I don't know, just not a fan of the sponge. I feel like it's not, I feel like it gets wasted too within the sponge. My daughter told me to do this too a while ago, and I told her, like, why do I stop my pores from showing? She told me, use a wet sponge. And I tried it, but then I stopped. I don't know, like I just didn't like using the sponge itself. So maybe if like I use my brush like I like to, and then go back with the sponge like one of you guys had suggested, which thank you. Let's see if that works. I kind of use both of them, you know? Okay. Put a little more just over here, cover a little more. Maybe I just have really big pores. I don't know. I still see my pores, but it's okay. It's me. It's not the makeup, because this is a nice makeup, obviously. Looks very pretty on. try that again. Looks very pretty on. It's just like right here I see them. But it's just, you know, we're our worst critic, right? It's probably not even that bad. Okay. Okay, so I actually like that because it's not as cakey looking as some of my other high-end foundations. I feel like it looks more natural, which is definitely a plus for me. I like a more natural look always, as opposed to cakey looking. I'm just taking a look at it up close. Yeah. I like it. I do like it. I think it looks good. So as not to bore you, because this is really just mostly about these products, let me finish up some more makeup, and then I will come back and we'll test the brow pencil and we'll test the eyeshadow, which is just one color shimmer, but I'll add it to something else. So, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just finished, really all I did was put some bronzer on, got my eyes prepped, and that's it. So now I want to try this ANASTASIA Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil. And this is in soft brown. I feel like sometimes I look at, like as I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm like, oh, okay, no big deal. And then I look at these videos and I'm like, oh my God, my eyebrows look like really bad. All right, I gotta open this in. My eyebrows look like really bad on video sometimes. I'm like, I see two colors. And I used to always wax get my eyebrows waxed. And I'm dying to go back to that because it does make a difference. But I can't seem to get to that point because she keeps telling me you just need to grow them out more. But then I'm like, okay, but in the growing out stage, they look like terrible. So, you know, what do I do? I don't know. Okay, so here it is. It's a stick. It has two, oh, it has a spoolie. And it's a nice size, actually. It's not one of those little tiny ones. And then we have, and this is what I can't wait to see because I hate certain shapes. Oh, and it's a good shape. It's basically just a skinny little circle. I don't like when they're triangles. I don't like when they're rectangles. I feel like I'm gonna break it, so delicate. So let me start by spooling. Yeah, my eyebrows up. So should I try? I mean, will you judge me if you see like the hair coming out? But I really just want to grow them out to get them waxed and keep up with that. It's hard because then like I'm like, oh, let me just pluck this one and pluck that one and then trim my, and then I'm like, well, now I don't need to go, but I want to get them waxed again. So, okay, turning it up, retractable tip. Just want to bring it up a little more. Once I tried a pencil like this, I fell in love with it. Then I ran out of it. I think it was the Sephora brand. And I just haven't gotten a chance to get another one. So I went back to my powder. Because in between I tried another, I don't remember what brand name that was, but that's the one I didn't like when I was looking at videos. I was like, oh my God, like my eyebrows were two different colors. So, like it had like a red tint to it and it was brown. So I went back to my Maybelline powder and I would use it with the brush. I think that looks okay. Like I don't know though, I'm scared. I know when I look at the video I'm going to probably see my hair color here and then this color. But I don't want to make them too dark. I don't like really dark eyebrows. I just don't want it to be seen as two different like looks. You know what I'm talking about, right? I don't know if I'm explaining myself right. I always make this one darker than this one. Every time. I messed that up. It's a pain to do your eyebrows, right? No, I think it looks fine. I do. Is it too dark? Is this like so dark? I feel like it's so dark, but you know what? That's my fault because I kept putting it on. But maybe not. Maybe once I do all my other makeup, it won't look so dark. So far I like it, but at the end I think I'll notice it more. So let me do my eyeshadow. Let me see what color this is first. See what eyeshadow I'm gonna use. I mean, like, because I don't have enough of these. Pretty Shimmer, Satin Corset. It is pretty. Do I need another shimmer? I don't know why I always buy these. Okay, so let me do my makeup, my eyeshadow, and then I'll come back and we'll add this to my eyes. Okay guys, I'm back and I just went in with my Milani Bold Obsessions. I haven't used that in a while, so I was kind of missing it. Honestly, just kept it in the browns. Big surprise for me, but I just thought I would just stick to that, keep it simple in a way. Okay, let's go with the shimmer. And I think it's just easiest to use with my hand. I don't want to wet it because I don't really want it to be so crazy bold. Maybe if I was going out to dinner, out, I don't know. But I don't want that right now. So I want to stick to the more calmer, see what it's like. So let's see. Let's get it over there. Ooh. Very pretty. Just gonna have to blend it out a little when I'm done here for a second. See, like that's enough shimmery for me. I don't want it like, I don't want to like stop traffic. You know what I'm saying? Just like it just enough. Okay, that's really pretty. Let's see how it looks when I put the rest of my makeup on. So I am done applying my eye makeup, and I really like the way this look came out. Like my whole look today, I don't know, I love it. I don't know how the foundation's gonna do, but I'm guessing it's gonna do pretty good. It's a good foundation from what I hear, but everybody's different, right? So that came out good. I think I like the way my eyebrows came out. I will definitely be using this every day. Hopefully on the video it looks good. I guess I'll find out when I look. Do you like my eyebrows? Do you think they came out good? Do you see different tones? I hope not, but I love the way my eyes looked. So even though this is just testing the shimmer part, but I think it really added a nice look to my other eyeshadow that I put on. So I really like it. I think it looks really pretty. Let's see if it lasts throughout the day. So I'll come back and I'll show you. It's only 12 o'clock. It's only 12 o'clock. Like, how sad is that? I want to go out now. I want it to be like 8 o'clock on a Saturday night. It is Friday. It is Friday. Is it too early to open wine? Oh, that's sad. All by myself. I think maybe I should make my husband take me out to dinner. Because I'm home today. And I was like, oh, I should cook a meal because I'm home. I took the day off. I had to do some things. But, hello? Like, I just put all this makeup on. Take me out, right? Okay, so I will be back and let's see how this makeup did the rest of the day. Hey guys, it is about 3 o'clock. I'm getting my daughter from school and it's only been a few hours, but so far the makeup is holding up pretty well. The eyeshadow is still showing. It's not as pronounced as it was when I first put it on, but it's definitely still there. My foundation looks really good. You you know, it's like it to me, I'm noticing with all these higher end foundations, it's just typically the same, you know, it looks really good, makes your skin look really good, but I definitely feel like I have on foundation. I like more of a natural look for every day. But if I was going out, and it is Friday, so I don't know, my husband said maybe he'll take me out to dinner. So we'll see. But I do like it. I think it looks really nice, and I will have to check in later to get a real definite review. But it worked out because I took my passport pictures today because I need to renew my passport. So I had nice makeup on. So that worked out. So yeah, so I will check in a bit with you guys. And we'll see how this makeup lasted throughout the night. Talk to you later. Hey guys, I'm back. And it's, I don't know, what is it? Almost 8 o'clock at night. Yeah, so I think my makeup did really well for the day. I didn't even powder. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, I did not have to powder. Look it up close. No, I think it looks fine. Okay, yeah, I think it looks good, and the shimmer on the eyes stayed. It did fade a little bit, but it's still there. I don't like it to be too much anyway, so yeah, giving it a thumbs up. Foundation's good. I do like it, so thumbs up. My eyebrows, I did a quick look at the video. I feel like on the video I do see a little bit of the difference, but in person you just don't see it. I don't know why. I don't see what I see on video, so I feel like it looks so much better in person. So I don't know, I like that. I actually like my eyebrows, so I'll be using that. And that's it. So yeah, thumbs up, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Please, you know, hit the bell for notifications and whatnot for new videos. And that's it. And thanks for watching, and have a great day. Till next time.